Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 1040-S. This form is essential for individuals who earn income not subject to regular tax withholding, such as freelancers, independent contractors, or those with significant investment income. It helps you calculate and pay your estimated tax liability throughout the year. By understanding and using this form, you can manage your tax obligations proactively and avoid potential penalties. To calculate your estimated tax, you'll use the comprehensive worksheet included with Form 1040-S. This worksheet guides you through estimating your expected income, deductions, and credits for the current year. It's often helpful to use your prior year's tax return as a starting point, then adjust for any anticipated changes in your financial situation. The goal is to accurately project your total tax liability. Estimated tax payments are generally due in 4 installments throughout the year. These deadlines are typically April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. You have several convenient payment options, including online through IRS Direct Pay, by phone, using the IRS 2 Go mobile app, or by mailing a check with a payment voucher. Remember, timely payments are crucial to avoid penalties. To avoid underpayment penalties, ensure you pay at least 90% of your current year's tax liability. Alternatively, you can pay 100% of your prior year's tax liability. For high-income taxpayers, those with an adjusted gross income over $150,000, the safe harbor rule requires paying 110% of the prior year's tax. It's wise to regularly review and adjust your estimated payments if your financial situation changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.